but 99% of the views came from the For You page. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get on the For You page every single day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get on the For You page every single day and grow your following on TikTok. But first, as always, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Desiree Westpaul and also Juice Jallo. Thank you guys for commenting on my videos and staying engaged. If you want to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you comment on this video. Let me know your questions, concerns, anything you want to know about TikTok and maybe how to grow, things that you can do, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, so one of the things right now, especially being that it's a new year, is you want to make sure that you are posting at least 3 times a day. So what does 3 times a day look like, and what does that include? But first, what you need to know is this is going to increase your chances of landing on the For You page, and also with that following. You might be stuck at 50 followers, 100 followers, maybe even 1,000 followers, and you're ready to go to the next level. So this is what posting 3 times a day is going to help you with. Now, the 3 times a day, one can be a trending post. The second can be a unique post, something that is specific to you, something that no one's doing. You might want to be creative, and so you post that, right? The third time a day, I would throw in another trending post, something that you see everyone doing on the For You page. Now, you know, as always, the times you post are most crucial. So you definitely want to post now that school is back in session for most of the world. You want to post around lunchtime, around when kids get out of school, and in the evening time when everyone's laying in their bed. Now, afternoon time is about 12 o'clock. That's when kids are on lunch, scrolling through their phones. After school for most people is around 3 o'clock, give or take, when they're on the ride home, catching the bus home, maybe catching an Uber home, and of course 8 p.m., 9 p.m. when they're in their bed. That's your 3 times a day wherever you are in your city. Now, when you post this many times a day, you are going to attract new followers. Why? Because there are constantly new people being added to the platform or creating accounts on TikTok daily by the thousands and likely even the hundreds of thousands. So by posting this many times, it's only going to help you. Your follower base that you currently have will appreciate seeing you at least this many times a day. I know sometimes people feel like, you know, where is this person at? Where have they been at? So obviously they subscribe to you or they're following your TikTok channel or profile for a reason. So give them the content that they came to see. Once your current followers watch your content, as soon as they rewatch it, this triggers the algorithm to push it out to the For You page. And it's almost just like YouTube. What would I do if I had 100 subscribers? I could tell you right now what I would do. So the same thing on TikTok. What would I do if I had 100 followers on TikTok? I would please those followers, engage with those followers, comment, reply back. This way, when they rewatch your content, it's boosting it to the For You page. This is the #1 thing you can do right now, is please and engage the current followers you have. And remember, how did you get those followers? What type of content were you making? One of the best things you can do is to check your analytics on TikTok. Go into your back room, look at your analytics so you can see what videos are performing the best. And these are the type of videos you want to keep creating. Now, I've been laying low for a little while, but as you see on March 27th, I just want to give you an example. I had 37,000 views on that day alone. What did I do? I went through my archive and grabbed a successful video that I know performs well, and I reposted it. Now, if you can imagine 37,000 views from reposting a video that I created about 8 months ago, what did it do? It gave me the views. Where do you think those views came from? Let's check it out. So as we go into our analytics, we scroll through our last 7 trending videos, click on the one with the most views, you will see that 88% of this video right here are mostly from the For You page. That's not a video that I just made. I made that video about 8 months ago. 12% of those views are from my following. Now I have 340,000 followers, so what does that tell me? That tells me that only 12% of my followers were notified that I even posted this video. But the good news is that because that 12% watched and rewatched the video it pushed it. It triggered the algorithm and it pushed it to the For You page, making 88% of my views from the For You page. Now, 12 people shared it, 2,400 hearts. This didn't get the likes that it did 5 or 6 months ago. 5 or 6 months ago, that video got about 13,000 likes. But you can still milk something from it is what I'm basically telling you. And in that video, I was able to gain at least 400 new followers. Now, one of your most successful videos will look like this: 18,000 shares, 3.3 million views. If you will ever see this, I'm not sure, but 99% of the views came from the For You page. And of course, what did I do? It was something that stood out. I'll zoom in on that. 10-second video, under 15, simple 10-second video, did something drastic, something funny, something like people didn't expect. But 99% of the views came from the For You page. Why? It captured their attention in the first few seconds. This is what you want to do if you want to land on the For You page every single day. And it's possible. Post 3 times a day. Remember those post times. And whether it's a new post, whether it's a unique post, whether it's posting a trending post, or grab through your archive something that you know is successful and that got tons of views before, repost it. Another thing is you will also see in the analytics your follower activity. When is mostly that all of my followers are on TikTok. Now this is between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. is what it's telling me. So that shows you around lunchtime and 7 p.m. maybe they started laying down, relaxing, being on their phones. But that tells you right there, if you can go into your analytics and look and see when are my followers most online, that gives you it right there. Lunchtime, after school, right when they lay down. So basically, don't post late in the midnight and don't post early in the morning. Also, make sure you are using TikTok's latest new features such as green screen, stitch, duet layout. You want to make sure that you are using that because it's still new to a lot of people. Most people are wondering how to get these features. So what that's going to do is they're going to comment on your video. How do I get this? How do I get that? And while they're commenting, your video is just replaying, which is going to push it to the For You page. Make sure you are using green screen, stitch. The hottest new feature right now that everyone's using that's boosting them on the For You page is replying to comments with a video. Okay, I've mentioned that before, and you want to try to find a significant comment that you can reply to with a video that will answer a lot of people's questions. Maybe there's 4 or 5 comments in your section, and you can pick one out and don't just reply to it, but hit that video button, reply to it, post it as a TikTok. It knocks out everyone's questions, and you're also engaging with that fan, that follower who commented on the video in the first place, keeping them as a follower. And also usually what people do is they tend to make a video on their TikTok that, oh, hey, so-and-so replied to my video, and it's exciting for them. So definitely make sure you use that reply to comment with a video feature. It's one of the hottest things out right now. I would use that one at least twice a week if you really want to see your following increase. All right, guys, simple and sweet, short and to the point for tips and tricks on how to land on the For You page every single day and increase your following. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you comment below, let me know. Or what type of videos on TikTok, tips and tutorials would you like to see? Because I'm doing special requests right now also as well. All right, make sure you like this video, share this video with someone who can benefit from it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? There's tons of videos that I have created for you to watch that will help you, especially this year. You have a whole new boatload of things that you can create with school back in session, from being the COVID-19, the distant learning. Now people are making tons of videos on all kinds of school related things, and I will see you on the next video.